We at 1000 Bulbs know how hard it can be to accurately measure your plastic globes for street lamp installations. That is why today we are going to explain step by step how to properly measure your plastic globes to make sure they fit every time. When you look around, you'll see that plastic globes are a pretty common sight around neighborhoods, businesses, and schools. In addition to their pleasing aesthetic, globes can provide additional protection to bulbs and can help diffuse light output. While ordering a replacement may seem simple enough, most times it's difficult to tell what size globe you have. If you don't get accurate measurements, you can end up ordering plastic globes that won't fit. So here's how to accurately measure your plastic globes. Firstly, to find the correct replacement size, you'll need the overall diameter of the globe and the diameter of the opening. To measure the overall diameter, first set the globe on a flat surface, with one side touching the wall. Next, place a straight object on the opposite side of the globe. Now, take a ruler and measure from the wall to the edge of the globe. This is your overall diameter. Next, you need the diameter of the opening. If your globe doesn't have a neck, then you can use a ruler to measure the width of the opening from edge to edge. If your globe has a neck, you will need to carefully measure the width from the outer edges of the flange. This will give you the opening diameter. Now that you have your sizes, you can find the correct replacement. 1000 Bulbs offers replacement globes in a variety of sizes, finishes, and neck openings. Manufactured by American-made plastics, these globes are made with UV-resistant acrylic to ensure they resist yellowing and won't fade over time. If you have additional questions or need help finding the right replacement globe, call 1-800-624-4488, speak with one of our lighting experts, or visit 1000bulbs.com.